Hello, today in this video we're going to make potato salads, which is a Russian staple. It's called vinaigrette. It's red potato salad. There are two potato salads, but this one is using beets, that's why it has its red color. So here I have some boiled potatoes that I diced. Right here I have about 5 medium-sized potatoes. I have some boiled carrots. I have about 2 carrots. I have cooked beets, about 3 medium-sized, I'll say 3 small sized beets. I have a can of green peas. I have some chopped dill, and this is the brand of pickles that I use. They're Trader Joe's kosher dill pickles. The reason I like those, they don't have any preservatives or artificial colors in them. And I also sauteed some onion. So let's put this together now. So I'm just going to incorporate all the ingredients. So potatoes, it's diced in cubes. Carrots, green peas, pickles, beets, and some dill, fresh dill chopped. I sauteed an onion, 1 small onion, and I put some salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil. The onions, sauteed onions, flavor, and it makes the salad not dry. Okay, and now I have all the ingredients here. I'm going to add some sunflower oil. I like this oil because it has a really nice aroma. This is actually an Ukrainian oil that I got at the Russian grocery store. So this is sunflower oil, and you just need a little drizzle of taste. And I'm going to use some salt. This is what that looks like prior to mixing. I use Himalayan pink salt because it has nice minerals. And this measurement is half a teaspoon. I'll probably not even use the whole half a teaspoon. Okay, so now it's mixed, and I'm going to go ahead and plate. And to add a little more decoration, I got some basil leaves, and this is the final product here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. See you soon.